YouTube, and sorry for the big wait for a video. I got a little something a couple days ago, and I was playing with it, making stuff with it, and yeah, let's get started. Okay, so what I got a couple days ago is my very first pocket knife. It is a red Victorinox Swiss Army Hiker, and it has 3 layers. See? 1, 2, 3. Now, first we're going to do some of the wood carvings that I made. Or the whittling things. The first one I made was this little turtle. It's not that good, but I've never really whittled before. I think this turtle's kind of cute. The second one I made was kind of sort of looks like a little bear. You see? It's got the little ears, the nose. The nose has a point, actually. I tried to make little feet. Now, the third one I made was a P because, you know, first letter of my name. And I'm surprised that it turned out to be this good. It took a long time to make. It took about an hour. But that hour was split up and, it took a little longer than an hour because I had to stop and then go. Okay, enough with the whittling stuff. About this. It's so cool. My very first one. I'll show you some of the things it has. It has a screwdriver. It fits this chair screw that I have. It fits this little screw on one of my car stands. And the reason I found that out was because one of the screws was a little loose. So I was trying to get it undone like at Christmas time when I got it. Okay. So there's a screwdriver right there, and it's smart because then you can go like that and keep on turning it. Okay. It has a toothpick, which I washed before I used it. And this is a survival tool. Use this to survive. Has tweezers, so those are useful. Oh, I forgot. Just this morning at 4:20, my mom woke me up and my 2 brothers up, and we went out on the trampoline, and since it's one of the peak days of the Perseid meteor shower, we went out and we saw some meteors. We saw about, I saw 2, I think. We seen about 4, 3, and it was really cool. And okay, back with the knife. So it's got those tweezers. It's got a little key ring. Ooh, here's a good thing that it has. It has a fish scaler. I think it's a wire stripper too, and a sewer. See, it's got that little hole. Okay, on to the next thing that it has. It has a bottle opener, a large Phillips screwdriver, a wire stripper, and I think it's a wire cutter too. So that is we looked at one thing, the screwdriver right here. We looked at the fish scaler thing, the tweezers, the toothpick, this bottle opener. So that's 5 items already that are on here. Oh, and this has the 90-degree stop, so you can get like extra leverage on it. Next item. We have the can opener. Yep. And small Phillips screwdriver. Okay, so how many did we have? We had 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6. So that's 6 items we have so far on this. The next item is the wood saw. It's pretty sharp. I used it to make this because I couldn't just like go like this. I couldn't go like this with the knife. It would take too long, so I cut little bits into it so there were little stubs of like a rectangle. And then I cut that off with the knife. So that is 1 item, 2 items, 3 items, 4 items, 5, 6, 7 items, I think, so far. The next one! Careful with this one. The large blade. It is Victorinox Swiss-made stainless steel. It says officer something. I don't know what this is. And it's a sharp blade. My mom said it can take your finger off. So I don't like mess around with it. I used it to carve this. To carve some of it. Shut this. I don't know how many items we're at. And the small blade, which I used to carve this and this. So we'll put that away. Okay, now let's count how many tools it has. It has the tweezer. It has the toothpick. It has the screwdriver, the fish scaler thing, the bottle opener, the can opener, the saw, the large blade, and the small blade. 9 tools. That's a lot of tools. I don't know if the key ring counts as one, but now let's count how many functions it has. Okay, so it has screwdriver, that's 1. Toothpick, that's 2. Tweezer, that's 3. 3 functions. The fish scaler slash wire cutter slash sewer, that's 6. Can opener and little Phillips screwdriver is 8. Bottle opener and large Phillips screwdriver, that's 10. Wood saw is 11. 12, 13. Large blade and small blade. And that's it. Please leave a like and subscribe.